Are you on the hunt for some tasty, low-carb, no-sugar snacks that won't derail your diet plans? Well, you're in the right place. This video is all about helping you discover the world of delicious, diet-friendly snacks. We'll delve into why reducing your carb and sugar intake can be a game-changer for your health, from weight management to better heart health. So if you're ready to tantalize your taste buds without the guilt, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we unveil 15 scrumptious snack options that are low in carbs and free of sugar. Kicking off our list, let's dive into the first 5 low-carb, no-sugar snacks. Our first snack is cheese and pepperoni. This classic snack consists of slices of cheese paired with pepperoni. It's a satisfying combination of protein and fats, making it a low-carb option. Choose high-quality cheeses and nitrate-free pepperoni for a healthier choice. Next up, we have unsweetened Greek yogurt. This creamy delight offers a good source of protein and probiotics. For an extra flavor kick, toss in a handful of fresh berries. Remember, berries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them a perfect addition to your yogurt. Third on our list are almonds. They are not just crunchy and tasty, but also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Almonds are a great snack to have at your desk or in your bag for those mid-afternoon hunger pangs. The fourth snack to consider is celery sticks with cream cheese. Celery, being a low-calorie vegetable coupled with the richness of cream cheese, is a delicious and satisfying snack. You can prepare them in advance and store in the fridge for a quick bite. Finally, we have caprese salad. A caprese salad is a refreshing and flavorful combination of fresh ingredients. It typically includes cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, and basil leaves. The salad is drizzled with olive oil and seasoned with salt and pepper. It's a low-carb option that provides a good dose of healthy fats from the mozzarella and olive oil. All these snacks are readily available in your local grocery stores. Preparing them at home not only gives you control over the portion size, but also ensures there are no hidden sugars. Remember, the key to enjoying these snacks is moderation. While they are low in carbs and sugar, they still contain calories. So enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Now that we've whet your appetite with the first 5 snacks, let's move on to the next set of delicious options. Continuing our journey through the world of healthy snacking, let's dive into the next 5 options. First on this part of the list is the ever-versatile cottage cheese. It's a fantastic source of protein and calcium, and it's also low in carbs. You can enjoy it plain or add a handful of berries or nuts for a bit of crunch and flavor. Plus, it's readily available at any supermarket. Next up, we have celery sticks with almond butter. This is a snack you can make in a snap. The crunchy celery pairs perfectly with the creamy, rich almond butter. And the best part? It's virtually carb-free. Plus, the almond butter provides a good dose of healthy fats and protein. Third on our list, zucchini chips. Zucchini chips are a crunchy and savory snack. To make them, zucchini is thinly sliced, seasoned with salt and pepper, and then baked until crisp. This provides a satisfying crunch similar to traditional chips, but without the excess carb. It's a great way to enjoy a crispy snack while keeping the carb content low. Our fourth snack is a classic, hard-boiled eggs. They're a protein powerhouse and incredibly low in carbs. Plus, they're easy to prepare in bulk and take on the go. You can sprinkle them with a dash of salt and pepper or a pinch of paprika for a bit of a kick. Finally, we have avocado slices. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber. They're low in carbs and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. You can simply slice them up and sprinkle them with a little salt or mash them up for a quick guacamole. They're a staple in any low-carb, no-sugar diet. Those were some excellent choices, right? But don't worry, there's more. We've reached the final leg of our snack journey, but we've saved some of the best for last. First up, we have a classic with a twist: hard-boiled eggs with avocado. This high-protein, high-healthy fat snack is a powerhouse of nutrition. The creamy avocado pairs perfectly with the firm texture of the egg, making it a satisfying and filling snack. You can easily prepare this at home. Just remember to keep your avocados ripe and your eggs well cooked. Next on our list is the humble chia seed pudding. Despite its simplicity, this snack packs a punch in terms of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, it's super easy to make. All you need are chia seeds, your favorite unsweetened milk substitute, and a dash of vanilla extract for flavor. Let it sit overnight and voila! You have a delicious and filling snack ready for the next day. For our 13th snack, we have kale chips. Now before you turn up your nose at the idea, trust us, these are a game changer. When baked just right, they become crispy and light, making them a great low-carb alternative to regular chips. Plus, kale is a nutrient-dense food loaded with vitamins A, K, and C. Next, we have a snack that's perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is low in carbs and sugar, especially if you go for varieties that are 70% cocoa or higher. It's also rich in antioxidants, which are great for your heart. Finally, rounding out our list, we have olives. These little gems are not only low in carbs, but are also a great source of healthy fats. They come in a variety of flavors, from the mild and buttery Castelvetrano to the bold and briny Kalamata. They're perfect for when you want a quick and easy snack. There you have it, our top 15 low-carb, no-sugar snacks, but wait, there's more! Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the 15 mouth-watering snack options we've talked about today. From savory zucchini chips to crunchy almond cookies, each of these delightful treats is low in carbs and free of added sugars. These options not only satisfy your cravings but also provide essential nutrients, keeping you energized and healthy. They're the perfect companions to your wellness journey. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste, so go ahead and try these delicious low-carb, no-sugar snacks. Enjoy and stay healthy. Thanks for tuning in to our channel, Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness. See you in the next video.